Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make hot chocolate bombs, which is very trending and very demanding. See of how it gets up. It's really delicious guys, and we will do it both ways, with mold and without mold. So let's get started. So first of all, let's prepare the hot chocolate, and here I have taken natural unsweetened cocoa powder. You can use any brand cocoa powder here. So 5 spoon cocoa powder I am putting in a bowl, and now we'll add 5 spoon powdered sugar. If you have ready-made hot chocolate at home, then it's really good, but I didn't have, so I made it like that. So we will mix it all together very nicely. Friends, if you are new to my channel and if you are liking my recipe, then please hit the like button and please give a subscribe. So that's how we prepare the hot chocolate ready. So let's keep it aside, and I'm going to show you which marshmallows I am using. I bought it online, vegetarian marshmallows. So one bowl of marshmallows we'll take here, and one bowl of hot chocolate is ready. So let's put the things aside, and I'm going to show you which chocolate I have used. I have taken Moday's dark compound. It cost nearly 85 rupees, and I chopped 300 grams chocolate. So let's move towards the next step, and here we will prepare the shells for hot chocolate bomb. I have taken the empty shells of Kinder Joy, which my kids have finished. So I kept them very safely and I washed them nicely, and now you see the process very carefully. With the help of my thumb, I am wrapping the foil paper very gently and very nicely so it won't tear. So we will prepare all the shells like that. See, all the shells are prepared, and now I am going to show you. Here I have taken silicone mold as well, so we will do it both ways. So let's move to the next step, and here we will melt the chocolate. So I have taken a saucepan and nearly 1 inch water in it, and the flame is low, and I put the ball onto it, and we will melt the chocolate on the low flame. Make sure about it, whenever you are melting the chocolate, the flame should be very low. If you will keep the flame medium or high, the chocolate may be sticky. So make sure about it. On the low flame we will make it, and occasionally you stir it. Friends, it may take 4 to 5 minutes to get the chocolate melt. So here 3 minutes have done, and you can see the consistency. So you stir it occasionally as I am doing, and in more 2 minutes it is nearly ready. You can see here the pouring consistency of the chocolate. So let's move to the next step, and our hot chocolate shells are ready. So we will put 1 spoon chocolate in each shell and spread it very gently with a very light hand, and with the help of a spoon or a spatula, whichever you like, and just spread it towards the edges. So one by one we will follow the same process, and we will get all our shells ready. And make sure that this is our first coating. We will keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will do the second coating so that our shell will be more stronger. So all the shells are ready. Let's put them in the fridge for 5 minutes. Until then we will set our silicone mold with the same process. So we will pour 1 spoon in each section, and we will spread it towards the edges. The same process we have to follow, and once it will done, then we will keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes, and we will do the second coating with the silicone mold as well. Friends, this video may be little longer compared to other of my videos, but I wanted to show you each and everything step by step so that you will make the perfect hot chocolate bombs at home. So please keep watching and keep enjoying. So here our silicone mold is also ready, and we will keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will take it out and get done the second coating. Here it is ready to set in the fridge for 5 minutes. And friends, here you can see the shells we kept in the fridge already. They are completely set, and here we will do the second coating for the safe side, so our shells will be more stronger. And while doing the second coating, you have to remember that we will do the coating especially to the edges so that our edges will be more strong. And after the second coat, we will keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes again, and our shell will be ready. I will open it and show you how easily it gets out. And friends, here I have done the second coating to all the shells, and we will keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes now. And let's get out the silicone mold one because they are already set in 5 minutes. So we will do the second coating with silicone mold hot bombs as well, and the same process we will follow. We will prefer to put chocolates to the edges. Friends, here I have done the second coating with all the shells, and let's keep them in the fridge for 5 minutes again. And the first shell is ready, which we already kept in the fridge. Now we are going to demold it. So how easily the foil paper is coming out, you can see how easy it is. Friends, it was really fun to make those shells with the Kinder Joy shell. So please try it out. It's very easy, quick, and you don't need to buy even the silicone mold. So one by one we will demold all the shells. Here our Kinder Joy shells are ready, and now we are going to demold the another shells which we set in the silicone mold. So with the love and care, you just slowly demold it. And this is quite big in size, so we have to be more careful. So slowly we will demold it. Friends, while demolding the silicone one, I got break one of my shell, and I'll show you how to fix it. If you will get break, you don't need to take any tension. Very easily we can fix it again. So keep watching the video. I'll show you how we can fix the broken shell as well. So with a very gentle press, the shell come out, and how beautiful it look, very shiny from the outside. So one by one we will get all the shells out. And while taking this one out, it get break. I'll show you. Oh god. But anyways, we have the solution. I'll show you how to fix it again. So I have taken the melted chocolate here, the leftover one, and I just apply it on the edges, and I will fix it and keep it in the fridge for 2 minutes, and it will get ready again. And here our all the shells are ready. So let's move to the next process. And here I have taken a fry pan which I make hot. I put it on the gas for 5 minutes, and it is literally warm. So we will put the shell on it, and it will quickly melt it, and you have to be very careful. So you have to see the process very carefully how I am doing it, and you have to do it very quickly, otherwise your shell will get melt so quickly in front of your eyes. So please be quick and be careful about it. So now we will fill them with the hot chocolate we already prepared with the marshmallows as well, and we will stick them together. So you can see how easily it can stick because the edges were quite warm and melted. So you can see the process, it's very easy and quick. So keep watching guys. We will do the same process with each and every shell. See, 3 Kinder Joy shells are ready here, and the silicone one we will do now. We will follow the same process. So friends, here we will do the same process again. So friends, here all the chocolate bombs are ready. So they looking so cute already, but we will just do them little bit decoration on them. So here I have taken a white chocolate ganache. You can buy it or you can make it with the white chocolate at home. So you can make the design of your choice. Friends, I hope you are going to love the recipe and you will definitely give a try to this. And if you like the recipe, please press the like button. If you like the recipe, please share. If you like the recipe, please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching my videos.